County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Central Square to Cato, moving east at 85 miles per hour.
Oh my God.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay, Rome, Cicero, Lysander, Baldwinsville, Lee, Vienna, Trenton, Camden, and Boonville.
Jesus, first of the year.